Hi everyone, today we're going to be talking about the scientific paper by Natalia Albuquerque et al. Titled Dogs Recognize Dog and Human Emotions. Albuquerque et al. Begin by explaining that an essential part of human social life is the ability to understand emotions. Interpreting emotional states helps us understand motivations and intentions, and it also aids in building relationships. Part of being able to understand emotions fully involves the integration of emotional cues from multiple avenues, including visually and auditorily. While we have evidence of this capability in humans, there's currently no research that provides evidence of this integration in non-human species. The researchers point out, however, that this would be a particularly beneficial skill for domestic dogs. Past research has shown that dogs can discriminate human expressions visually and auditorily, but these authors wanted to examine the integration of both of these cues. They hypothesized that if dogs could indeed integrate visual and auditory emotional cues, then the dogs would look longer at a picture that has the matching emotion of a corresponding audio clip. As for experimental design, the researchers used a sample of 17 adult dogs. These dogs went through two 10-trial sessions that were 2 weeks apart. They presented the dogs with two pictures of a human showing positive and negative emotion. At the same time, they played an audio that had either a positive, negative, or neutral tone. Researchers only considered trials valid if the dog was looking at the pictures for at least 2.5 seconds. They used several different combinations in terms of images, including female human, male human, one of each, and the same with dog images, and even 2 humans and 2 dogs. As for the audio, they wanted to use an unfamiliar language to eliminate the possibilities of the dog recognizing any of the actual words being said. Since all of the dogs were from English-speaking families, they used Portuguese audio clips. I will show the setup with my dog so you have a better understanding of what the lab room looked like. So the lab would look something like this, with the dog looking at clearly different emotional pictures, and at the same time, there would be an audio playing. I couldn't find one with a very clear emotional tone, so just try to use your imagination. But when that audio would play, there would be a camera behind that screen that would measure where the dog was looking and for how long. The researchers found that 67% of the time, the dogs looked at the picture that matched the tone of the audio. This preference was true no matter the species of the image, which tone they used, gender of the image, and position of the correct image, whether it was the left or the right. When both species were presented at the same time, researchers found that they were more sensitive to the cues of other dogs rather than a human. Additionally, when a neutral audio was played, there was no significant preference for where the dog looked. So overall, dogs are very emotionally intelligent. They are able to combine what they see and what they hear to interpret emotional cues from both humans and other dogs. Thank you for watching.